Hey Lion Army, welcome back to another video. I'm Lukethelion, as you probably know. But in this video, you probably know by the title, I am going to teach you guys how to import music into iMovie. So yeah, let's get straight to it. Okay, so the first things you want to look up is DManager. So DManager is the first one that will show up on your page, which looks exactly like this with 5 stars. Then the second the second app that you'll want will be iMovie. So iMovie could take money unless you have an iPhone. Okay, after you get these downloaded, what you want to search is, well, basically any music that you want. I'll be doing NCS. So find the music that you want, and once you get to the page on YouTube, so what you want to do is click onto share. So click share, then copy link. And after you click copy link, you'll want to exit the page and go to your browser. Then you'll want to look up YouTube to MP3 converter if you want. So all you have to do is find one of the converters, and this is one I use, online video converter. You want to paste your link into the paste link section. Then you'll click start. After this is done, you want to click download. So wait for it to load. Okay, then it will bring you to a page, and click at the bottom and go back to the page and click download. After that, you want to copy their link, the link that shows up, and then you want to head to your DManager. At the DManager, you want to go to this, not to the folder section, but to the download section. Click on the plus, and then paste in your link there. Okay, after your downloading is complete, you can click on it and make sure if it's done. But so basically what you want to do is the download that you just did, so the song or sound, you want to hold down on that. So you want to hold down on the download and then click on open in. Then you want to scroll over to the right at the top and then go to copy to iMovie or open in iMovie. And then basically you want to pick one of the things that you want to do. So I'll put this on TB4 is amazing. And so make sure that you go look at his channel. Link will be in the description. So basically it goes straight down to the bottom, and you can adjust the sounds however you want in the iMovie. But in the other iMovie shows that you make, the movies that you make, it will also be in your plus bar. I'll show you. Okay, so once you get in here at the top left corner, kind of under the video, you can click on the plus, and you want to scroll down and find the audio. Click on audio. Then once you click on audio, go to imported, and then find the song that you imported. So which mine is download 3. So click on download 3, and then it will pop down under your video where you wanted it. Okay, well, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. So if you guys need to kind of memorize it or something like that, you can feel free to rewatch this. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and survive, of course survive, but subscribe. Yeah, all of the support is really needed, but anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Become the Lion Army, and yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.